Welcome back, my dear student. Today, our second class of business studies, and today's topic is business environment, which I have already started in our first class. And that class we already discussed what a business environment is. Today, we will discuss about features of business environment. And in business environment, in the last class when I discussed, we said about the business environment is a total force of individual, institution and external forces. Totality and that affect the business from externally. And here the first feature is totality of external forces. That means the business actually, a business environment, here totality of external forces means the total business performance actually affected by the outside business environment, not inside business environment. Here business environment means total environment situation of outside of business, not inside of business. So this is the first features of business environment, totality of external forces. Total external forces, total individual forces, that is external, total institutional forces and other forces of outside of the business, means not internal environment of the business. The second point, dynamic nature. Dynamic. What is the meaning of dynamic? Dynamic means change. The business environment is change each and every day, every hour and even every second. Now, let's take an example of that. Some 3 to 4 years before, when we use the phone, mostly we use the feature phones. And nowadays, most of the people use the smartphone. So this change affected by some company. Suppose take an example, if you take a Nokia feature phone is highly demandable in 5 and 4 years before. But now, there are lots of other competitors actually adapt the situation and change, and now Nokia is not highly demandable for smartphone arena. So lots of other players have come and they adopted these changes. So you have to adopt the changes which happen in your environment. So most demandable phone is nowadays is smartphone, not a feature phone. Now come to the third point, uncertainty. What it means? Uncertainty means there is no certain things. You cannot predict the future what will happen. Let's take an example. When Jio comes into, before the Jio comes into our market in India, we hardly get 1 GB data in a month. But when the Jio comes into the market, we are each and every day we get 1 GB of data. And that's actually affected the other competitors, other telecom competitors, Idea and Airtel. And they started making losses and they cannot adapt it easily and predict it. What will be what they cannot predict? This is uncertainty. They cannot predict Jio will be calm and they can do like that. And therefore they are making losses nowadays. So this is the uncertainty. Business environment always very much uncertainty. You cannot predict the future, what will be happen, who will become and take away your profit from you. Now, most important point, specific and general forces. So there is two things. One is specific and one is general forces. What is specific forces? Specific forces means there is 4 specific forces we can discuss. Investors. Investor is there. Customer is there.
Third is supplier is there.
Supplier is there and competitors.
So these are the specific forces, competitors. So what is investor, how affect the business?
These are the specifically affects to some business. Suppose investor actually invest their money to different business organization. So investor always want more profit and they actually look where they can get more profit. Nowadays, the Ola and Uber, this type of company, most of the investor would like to invest because these are the now the very good model for the our business environment. So investor most of the investor who are the actual organization big investors, they actually want to invest this types of company where from they getting money. Recently Facebook has also invested in Jio because they think that in the Indian market you will be doing better in future. Okay, so this is the investor. Second is customer. How the customer actually working? Now, look, the customer can affect the business performance. How can they actually affect? This few days or few years before, Samsung Galaxy launched a very high profile mobile. But after few days there is a dispute and their customer actually shipped to Apple. So their Samsung demand is less, so their sale is decreased and Apple sale is increased. So customer can directly affect for business performance. Now supplier. What is supplier can affect? When a business will take their raw material from any supplier, if supplier actually give them the higher price of raw material, then business is automatically affected and they have to sell the higher prices of finished goods. And sometimes supplier actually makes difference in different price competition. Suppose Jio is purchasing their machineries for tower from someone who gives them lower prices, and BSNL, another telecom company, purchases their raw material from someone who actually give them in higher prices. So when they actually give the service to customer, it is very difficult for BSNL to make cheap prices to reach in cheap prices and services cheap prices in their customer. And Jio will definitely actually get supplier prices is less, so they can finish services also be less. Now competitors. Competitors also affect nowadays to the business, actually business specific, directly the business forces. Okay, thank you for today. Hope you understood and thank you. Next day.